So hello guys, I'm back. It's Eager Price Action Trader. So please subscribe to this channel. I have 100 subscribers. So today I want to teach you some trades that I have done. Like this is my first trade. I need to explain you something very important. First of all, your objective is to make wins, not to make money. So in trading, the important part is that if you make more wins than losses, what will happen? You will make more profits. If in business you make more sales, what will happen is that you will recover your losses. So first of all, you need to take trading as a business, and you need to make more wins. This is a kicker. If you are a beginner, you need to learn first. Your learning cycle need to be first learning. You need to learn first. You cannot go in trading and expect to make money. You don't have any skills and you just want to get rich like a shit. Get your ass, man, and start learning, man. In trading, we need to put an effort. Okay, this is effort. You need to put on work. You need to work. You need to put in the work and to grind, man. This is not like one night get rich scheme. I'm here to tell you that if we are going to win, like in my community, if you are going to win, you have to work for it. There is no other way. You have to learn first. Learn the fucking skill, and we will be good in the future. If you learn this skill and you apply it in every time, in every market, I guarantee you will make money, and you will see that an improvement in your trading skills, style, or your trading strategy. So first of all, without further ado, let's jump into the video. Where we are all in a downtrend market. We have like this is a reversal sign. This candlestick break the key levels in a downtrend, so I place my trade a put option here. So I place another trade, which is this one. We are in a ranging market. The trend lose momentum here as a week. You can see here we have a process of elimination. We have a higher high, lower low, and this candle here break a key level, which is Fibonacci level, and this level I will show you on my screen. This level. So I place my trade in the direction of the momentum. So this one here, I place my trade because at the key level, at the deviation, we see a retracement. The price here get rejected from the key level. We already know when a candlestick gets rejected from a key level, there may be a reversal or retracement. But here in this case, this candlestick shows that the trend will go up here because it is a retracement at this level. So I place my trade using the deviation as support level. So here is a late entry. That's why I told you to avoid late entry, but late analysis from my own. Okay, no need to worry. So we are in a ranging market. The deviation acts as a resistance, and we have 38.2 Fibonacci level. I place my trade a little bit late, but no need to worry. So this one is a late entry. I place this trade with some marginal safety here. You can see, guys, but the trend is not strong. That's why I lose this one. But it's still the market make a good candle. But I place it with some marginal safety. As you see here, I know that it will close as a bullish candle. So that's why I place it with some marginal safety. But still, I lose here because the market make a strong candle. So this is where do I lose here, because this deviation acts as a support in ranging market. I am tired of telling this every single time. I'm tired to tell you this. So I need to show you something, guys. So the thing that I have learned here is that in a ranging market like this market, you cannot do higher high, lower low. Okay, you cannot do higher high, lower low, because the price can break a key level, make a retracement, break a key level, make a retracement. You don't have any clear signs. You don't have any clearance. That's why I told you higher high we do in a trending market, because we know after the breakout of a resistance, the market will retrace back to this key level. Okay, so another thing that I have tell you is to use higher high, lower low. You can use higher high, lower low in a ranging market, but only on a specific let me write it, on a specific criteria. What do I told you by the specific criteria is that first of all, the specific criteria is the um, the facts, that you need to trade in trading, the key point, the criteria that you need to place in higher, high, lower, low. Let me show you an example here. Okay, this one. Okay, this is higher, high, lower, low strategy, like you can see, but it is a ranging market, a bit ranging, but it's a trending. So you need a breakout of a key level, you need a reversal here. Okay, you need to check the trend, a breakout of the key level, does that trend, and other those things. These are criteria. So to make your strategy work in a ranging market, higher, high, lower, low, if you are a beginner, do not do it. But if you are intermediate like me, you can do it. That is what I learned today. I want to share it with you. You can see I'm here. I'm on the only channel that share you my experience. So why do I lose this trade here? It's still because I have told you that in this ranging market, you can see high, lower, low. Do not work a ranging market. It only work with a specific criteria. So I will not take your time more. I just want to tell you that ranging market, you do ranging strategy. You cannot do trending strategy in a ranging market. You need to implement your own strategy. So in a ranging market, I told you that the strategy is very simple, is to trade on the deviation. So this is the thing that I have learned today, is that higher, high, lower, low, you cannot do it in a ranging market. Why? Because there are so many levels and the market can make retracement. Okay, these things that I told you now, many people are charging you money. Okay, I just give it for free. I just give it with learning, with my learning. I go in the fight and I provide you and the enemy strategy. Okay, I just go into the fight, man. Okay, so without further ado, let's finish this video. Have a good day. Enjoy your trading. Always learn. If you are a beginner, please learn first, then you trade. Because trading first of all is learning, then you start trading, then you will make money. Okay, so guys, thank you and have a good day.